It's been about 17 years now. I was working in accounting and customer service at a small business here in London, and just was looking for something new. Went to school and completed my education in accounting, and then started looking for clients just to start my thing. And I got very lucky and worked very hard and was able to get things off the ground in the first year, which was amazing. And then we started building. So we've had our office here in London and started growing the team about 11 years ago. It was difficult to get in the beginning. I found like the accounting industry was very male dominated. What's been great is that we've been able to kind of use that as one of our platforms, as creating opportunities for women, whether it be first career, second career, re-entering the workforce. There's a lot of people out there with a lot of experience in accounting. Being able to create those opportunities for women to join us and get into this field has been one of the cornerstones of what we've been doing. So we are an 8-person team currently. Again, all women at the moment, not by design necessarily, but it happens to be that way. It was scary, taking a big leap like that. My very first client, I did an online ad, and I was able to land someone, and it was, my first gig was like 2 days a week. I had to kind of jump in, both feet first, and just hope for the best, but work hard as well. Yeah, I was on my own for about 5 years. Just again, like kind of working from home, taking on what I could. I didn't really plan at the very beginning. I was trying to create something for myself, not necessarily create something bigger than that. So yeah, I was on my own for that amount of time. And then I, again, reached kind of like that point where I had to start turning away clients, or potential clients, because I didn't have the capacity to service them. And so I hired my first employee about 5 years in, maybe 6 years in. And she's still with us today, which is amazing. Um, and so growing the team allowed for scale, allowed for, to us to bring on new clients and start to offer different services. And we just kind of grew from there as we needed to create the capacity for clients. We started to bring on, hire and train new staff. And then here we are today. My job is talking to entrepreneurs, people who have done the same thing or who are working on doing the same thing, creating something for themselves. And it's empowering. It's something very special, but it's something that's very, very scary. And having the right support systems there for you are very important. We're here for you if you're small and starting up, but we can also grow with you. So as a firm, I take the things that were the most fear for me and try to help people, get through that in the sense of financial reporting, etc. Finding someone who's open to asking questions and eager to learn is really important, because not only are they learning for themselves, but when you have this open communication and this team environment, they're learning for everyone, because that knowledge gets transferred to the rest of the group. Learning's like a huge part of my life, and it helps me help other people. So if I can push other people in our team to take advantage of opportunities to learn new skills, then, certainly I try to do that. By having someone go and do, an outside program, it's more answers in the pot. The more we see the digital age, kind of taking over, the more opportunity it provides for us to take on clients that are, located further away geographically, which is really nice for us. Lots of construction companies, restaurants, you kind of name it, manufacturing, we get quite a bit of. But yeah, it's a mixed pot of everything. We say the coolest part of this job is like you get a really good idea of how people out there make money and the types of businesses and how they're getting started up. And it's really cool to watch people grow and succeed, to be there for them as well, to offer as much support as we can. It's great. And that really solidifies the relationships with the clients too. Like we're really lucky to have lots of long-term clients as well. Really, we've got a great community, and we've got a great little community here at Synergy. Like we've got the team, we've got the clients, like everyone's just working together as much as possible to, with one common goal of just getting the work done and making sure that, everyone's happy. We're so lucky to have such great people that we work with. From a community standpoint, like there's a lot of awesome people here.